Hello everyone. Today I'm going to solve problem number 4 from NeetCode 150, which is group anagrams. Let's understand the problem statement. Given an array of strings strs, group all anagrams together into sublists. You may return the output in any order. An anagram is a string that contains the exact same characters as another string, but the order of the characters can be different. Okay. So I will need to group all anagrams together into sublists. So that's the task. So example 1, let's check the example 1. So in the str string array, so currently I am at this particular index. So the string is act, right? So what I will be doing, I will be putting this particular string into one group. Okay, and I move on to the second element, pots. Can I able to put this pots into act? No. How? Because pots and act cannot forms anagram, cannot, because pots and act together will not form an anagram, right? They are not anagrams of each other. So I cannot put pots into this act group, right? So I will need to create another group and I need to put this pots into that group. Okay. Move on to the third element, which is tops. Can I able to put this tops into this first group? No, because they will not form anagram, right? So, but can I able to put those tops into the spots? Yes, because they will forms and they will be anagrams of each other. Okay. Then cat. Can I able to put this cat into this active group? Yes, because they'll form anagram. They'll be anagrams of each other. So yeah. Next, I'll move on to this fifth element, stop. Can I able to put this stop into this first group? No, because they will not make anagrams, right? So, but I can able to put this stop into this particular group because they forms anagrams. Okay. Move on to the element hat. Can I able to put this hat into this particular group? No, because which will not make this particular group as anagrams, right? Make this particular entire sublist as anagrams, right? So I cannot even able to put this hat into this group also because this will not forms the anagram group. So I need to create another group and I need to put this hat into that particular group. So this is how I will need to form a subgroups, and I will need to return the answer. Okay. So this is the value. This is the group 1 value. This is group 2. This is group 2 value, and this is group 3 value, right? So group 1 value. So what I can form, this ACT will be a key, right? And for group 2, OPST will be a key value. And the value is this three elements. And for this particular group, the key value will be AHT. So this is a kind of key value pair. If key is ACT, then the value is list of this thing, list of string, which is act and cat. So if the key is OPST, the value is this three elements, pot, stops, stop. If similarly, if the key is AHT, then the value is hat. So I will need to create this group, right, by using the given string array. Right? So this is how I can able to group all anagrams together into sublists. So let's implement this in code. So what int I is equal to 0, I is less than strs.length, I plus plus. So let's create a string which represents the current string equal to strs of I. Right? So current string dot to character array will give me the character array. So character array, current character array Right? So let's say first, let's say in this particular example one, similarly, sorry, I missed to explain this example too. So str is equal to x only, right? So this alone will form a group and will be returning this as the output. Str is equal to empty. Empty means this is the only string, right? So we will be returning this particular thing alone in the answer. So let's jump to this place. So let's say if I'm at act, if I'm at 0th index and the current element is act, right? So if I use the 2-character array, I'll be getting something like this, right? A, C, A, comma is A, C, T. So this is how I'll be getting the character array in this place. So what I will be using, I'll be using an internal method, which is arrays dot sort of this current character array. So this particular array will be transformed into, this is already sorted order. Let's take this pods. So pods means if I put the 2-character, if I call the 2-character method, right? So I'll be getting something like this. So this is my current character array. And I am at index 1. Right? So when I use this arrays dot sort of current character array, this will be transformed into something like this. Like after sorting the current character array will become something like this. Right? So what I can do, I can pass this. So this is string key. So I can form a new string by using this current character array. So, so since it is a kind of storing key value pair of data, we'll need to use the hash map. So here key is string and value is list of string. Hash map, which is equal to new hash map. So what I'm going to do is, if this hash map contains key of this particular key, then what I can do, I can simply get this particular key, I'll be getting list, and I will need to add this current test string. Else, what I will need to do is list of string, which is list maybe sub answer, new array list, and list sub answer dot add of current string. So I will need to put this particular key into the hash map. That's it. That's it. So finally, we will need to prepare the list output string, output list by using this hash map. So list answer, which is equal to new array list. So we'll need to iterate this hash map to prepare this output string. Hash map dot entry set list answer dot add of entry dot get value. Hope this should work. Let's see. So let's also understand the time and space complexity. So the time complexity is order of n because we are iterating the input array exactly one time. And in the worst case, we will be storing all the strings into the hash map. So the time complexity, sorry, space complexity is order of n. Let's submit the solution. Yes. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.